This black Epson EcoTank Ink Pack is designed to produce crisp text and deep, even coverage that looks very close to what you get from fresh cartridges. The ultra-high capacity bottles hold enough ink for a very large number of everyday documents and school or office projects before you need to think about refilling. Epson's EcoTank system with these bottles can significantly cut ongoing ink costs compared with traditional cartridge-based printers, especially for frequent printing. The EcoFit style bottle tops are shaped so they only fit the correct tank, which makes refills straightforward and helps avoid messy spills or mixing colors. Because this is genuine Epson ink, it works smoothly with compatible EcoTank models and tends to give more consistent output than many third-party refills. The two-bottle pack is convenient for busy households or small offices that run through black ink quickly and want to keep a spare on hand without constant reordering.